Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of credit cards, clearing up some myths and laying down the facts. Whether you're a seasoned cardholder or just thinking about getting your first card, this is for you. Let's start with a common myth. Credit cards are a trap. Now, while it's true that misuse can lead to debt, credit cards are powerful tools if used responsibly. They can help you build credit, earn rewards, and even protect your purchases. So, it's not the card, but how you use it that matters. Fact number 1. Making minimum payments is not enough. It might keep your account in good standing, but it also means you're paying more interest over time. Always aim to pay off your full balance each month to avoid unnecessary interest. Moving on to a popular myth. You need to carry a balance to build credit. Nope, that's not true. What improves your credit is the history of on-time payments and the length of your credit history, not the amount you owe. Here's a crucial fact. Your credit utilization ratio, that's the amount of credit you're using compared to your limit, should be kept low. Ideally, under 30%. Keeping it low shows you're not overly reliant on credit, which boosts your credit score. Another myth? Closing old credit cards is good for your credit score. Actually, closing old accounts can hurt your score because it affects your credit history length and your utilization ratio. Think twice before closing that old account. And finally, let's debunk this. All credit cards are the same. This couldn't be further from the truth. Cards come with different benefits, interest rates, and rewards programs. Your job is to find the one that fits your financial needs and spending habits the best. So, there you have it. Credit cards aren't scary or complicated when you know the facts. Use them wisely, and they can be a great financial tool. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on managing your finances effectively. Catch you in the next video. Asanti.